welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a bloom on a 20 by 24 canvas. I want to use some reds and blues and purples, but I think I want to do a little tilting instead of spinning. So let's get down on the canvas, get started. Be right back. All right, guys, so I've got a 20 by 24 I'm going to repurpose. It's Wednesday, so I've been kind of doing blooms on Wednesdays, and so I figure I'll just go with it. So I'm going to put down my PPG Multi-Pro, and today I'm doing 3 blooms on this small canvas. So we're going to see what we get. All right, so my first color I'm going to put down is a little bit of purple here. And then all my mixtures and ingredients are going to be in the description box below. So we got the purple. Go with some gold here. And then we're going to go with a little bit of benevolence. And this here was Amsterdam in, I think, blue gray is what it's called. And then this is a little bit of carmine red. Okay. And then my CA today is going to be Payne's Gray. All right, so just blow this out. So let that one collect. We'll start off over here. Purple and gold again. This time we're going to go in with that Amsterdam gray blue. Come in with some benevolence. Carmine red. And gray. All right, so this one I'm gonna last one over here. Got the purple, the gold, that bluish gray. Benevolence. The red. Paint through there. Thought about spinning this, just letting it go where it goes, but what if I don't? What if I just tilt it like crazy? And if that's the case, let me take it off my spinner. pretty sure I still have too much paint on here, but I'm not going to tilt anymore because I like the composition. So I will just have to see. All right, guys, here we are. Very cool abstract. I like how it just kind of goes all different directions. Here we are with the up close look. Okay guys, that is it for the video for today. So here is last week's piece. Dried really nice. So it will get gloss varnish because it's going to need to be brought back to life. But I like that a lot. I like the composition of it, so really cool. Now I'll show you today's piece. This is still wet, so I'm literally going to raise it and then drop it back down. There it is. Look at that. Really beautiful. That's all you get to see. Because I don't want it to slide. It's been drying for 2 days, and yeah, it is. Because I knew I had so much paint left on the canvas, I decided to turn the temperature down in my studio. So it's probably only 63 degrees in here. So I'm keeping the doors closed. I'm just letting it air dry because I don't want it to crack. Anyways, that is the piece for today. So you guys let me know what you think about this one in the comments. And I think I like this. I think I might be doing blooms on Wednesdays, and then I'll do regular paintings on Sundays. All right, guys, have a great rest of your week. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.